Hey everyone, it's Jaden, aka Baby J for those who are new here, and if you're not, you already know what's going on here. I'm back with the dealings, period. Today we are making the best looking channel art ever for our YouTube channels. So the two apps you will need is the Phonto app and the Eraser app. And you guys, I made this so simple, it's gonna look so good, so just follow my steps and you'll be looking professional in no time, okay? Top YouTubers. Also, before I forget, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, turn on my notifications, also follow my Instagram and my Twitter. So the first thing you want to do is go into the Eraser app and basically choose a photo to get a transparent background. When you have a transparent background, it's easier to input these photos into projects that you are making, so it makes it look really professional when everything in the background is the same color. Also, when doing this, you want to make sure that you're being very careful, going exactly where the lines meet, because you don't want rickety edges when you are putting the transparent photo into another photo, and it will show if you are not careful. I didn't care to get that close because my background was going to be white, so if I left any white edges, it would be fine. It would not show up in the picture. Also, if you happen to mess up, there is the eraser option at the bottom, restore option at the bottom, also the undo and redo arrows at the top. So next, what you want to do is save your picture, and this is what it looks like with the transparent background. Also, this app does have ads, so when you see them, just exit out of them. I actually wanted 2 pictures in my channel art, so I chose another one. I sped up me being particular with this picture because there were a lot of details that I wanted to pop. So if you want certain details to pop, make sure that you take your time. I'm sorry if it seems like I am kind of speeding through this video. I just didn't want it to be too long. So next, after you finish editing your picture, you want to exit out of the Eraser app and go into the Phonto app. Once you go into the Phonto app, you want to click on the camera down at the bottom. Once you click on the camera, you want to click on plain image. So you can choose whatever picture color you want. I chose white. Next, you're going to see 2 numbers at the top multiplied by each other, 2048 by 2048. You're going to edit that because YouTube has a weird file size for its channel art. So you're going to type in 423, and then at the top, you're going to type in 1546. So after this step, we finally get to start creating our channel art, our banner. So make sure you are creative, make sure it's you, make sure it represents your brand, make sure you don't straight up copy mine. You can literally do anything with this. So I want to touch back on why we're making it this small, and it's because, like I said before, YouTube has a weird file size for channel art. So we're starting off with making our picture smaller than the recommended file size for YouTube because sometimes it doesn't transfer over well. After we've made our art, we will insert our picture into the recommended file size, and then you can insert it into YouTube. This is what was best for me. If you want to skip this step, by all means, but I don't recommend it. So what you guys have been watching is a screen recording of me creating my banner. I wanted to show all the steps that I took. So I'll let you guys watch and come back if I feel like anything needs any more explaining or if anything is unclear. So after making any last adjustments and saving your picture, make sure you save it. You're going to go back into the file size, a different image, and you're going to type in 1152 only at the bottom. You don't need to change the top because that's the file size for the YouTube channel banner. So you're going to take your saved image and you're going to place it into this plain white image that we just made, as I'm doing right now. And you're going to adjust it however well you think it might go into the YouTube banner size, because you know it's weird. And this is my finished product, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, you guys.